Hello friends, I'm Sunny from Hebei Shuanghu Accessories Company Limited. Here is our office building. This is the sample room. We will talk business here and we have some samples here. And this is the workshop manager's offices. This is the technical offices. We have 4 engineers and 20 technicians. This is the office. Some of them go to the workshop to inspect the goods. And this is our engineer, Mr. Du. He's developing the new products now. We can research and develop new products according to customers' new vehicles and original samples. Here is the drawing we developed, and this is the 3D drawing. So, customized products are welcomed. Hello friends, I'm Sunny from Hebei Shuanghu Accessories Company Limited. Here is our production room. He is our production manager. He is in charge of our goods production arrangement according to customers' orders. And he is our products quality control manager. He will in charge of the quality control according to different customers' detailed requirements. And she is the production assistant. She is in charge of the productions according to the production plan with the ERP system. So we will arrange our products according to our production plan strictly to ensure the on-time delivery time. Hello friends, I'm Sunny from Hebei Shuanghu Accessories Company Limited. Here is our sales office. We are in charge of our customers' after-sales services and before-sales services and after-sales services. Now our customers involved axle manufacturers and distributors all around China and the whole world. And now there are more and more customers from overseas know Shuanghu brand, and they would like to work with us. So if you are the axle manufacturer or you are the distributor, welcome to contact with us. We believe that you will be satisfied with our quality and services.